Good day everyone! Today I'm going to interview Mr. Calvin Bantilan all about the e-conference last Tuesday. Did you enjoy the conference?
Yes, I really enjoy the conference because it's very entertaining, fun, and very interactive.
So how did the speaker deliver her speech?
For me, the speaker delivered her speech in a brief and concise manner. Also, it is delivered orderly. And lastly, the speaker is very interactive to participants. Yes.
What have you learned after the e-conference?
I've learned after the e-conference that there's no easy job, and also being a teacher requires a lot of determination and dedication.